Vechain Bull Run Price Predictions 2020. Hi guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel, and guys, Vechain has broken out. If you watched my previous video, I shared with you the level that I was looking for Vechain to break out. Vechain has broken out and is up massively. I'll share with you exactly what trades I've been taking, my entries, my stops, my targets for Vechain. And also, if you've missed that Vechain trade, I recommend you go watch that video. But if you've missed that Vechain trade, guys, I'll share with you another trade idea that you can look to get into Vechain. This could be just starting, so let's get in early in Vechain. This is a really nice project. As long as the price breaks out, I'll be looking to hold this coin. Fundamentally, I love this coin. I'll touch on some news about this project as well, but the way the market is, Bitcoin is going up almost near its all-time highs, 20k. XRP even is breaking to $1. Again, in the YouTube videos, it's difficult to make a video. TRX broke out, and then I'll try to make 3 videos a week. Now I'm probably gonna have to make a video a day because every coin is breaking out. Another coin that we're trading today that's broken out is Zilliqa. Zilliqa has had a 40% pump. As you can see, Zilliqa has broken out. And then this is this Vechain video, so I won't get too distracted. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and join our educational group, I'll leave the links below. You can also check it out through YouTube as well. But let's get into the Vechain video, because this is about Vechain. So Vechain, guys, is a coin that I fundamentally like. I try to make one Vechain video a month. And guys, I was looking at this trend line. This trend line broke in Vechain, and since then, guys, if you watch my previous top 5 coin video, altcoin season video, I was looking for Vechain to get back above the daily moving average and get back above the 80 Satoshi level. Vechain did that. I'll share with you exactly when I posted. Again, if you're missing out on trades, you can have a strategy so you can catch it, and I'll share with you when I got in as well in Vechain. So this was my plan. I posted a few days ago that I was looking for Vechain to break out above that, and then one Vechain broke out. I posted when I was getting in Vechain. I'll have to search for Vechain again. There we go. I'm in Vechain. Buy more on pullbacks as long as above 70. That's what my stop is. Take some profit at 15% and holding the rest. So that's you can see Vechain was just breaking out then, and now, guys, Vechain is up more than 30%. This is at a key 236 level now. So that was the trade I took. Hopefully a couple of you guys managed to take it as well, whether you use my strategy or whatever strategy you use. Hopefully a couple of you guys have made money on that, because that's what I like to do on this channel. Like, unlike other channels, I actually share with you what coins I'm trading, when to buy, when to sell. Unlike other channels, where they talk about things just going up every video, I share with you when I'm bullish, when I'm bearish. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will be doing a live stream next week. Once a month I do a free live stream on YouTube, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. And there's a special offer on the join button as well, that's just newly added if you want to check out our group. So that's the Vechain trade. So what now? That's great, Rocco, you made money. How, if you're just watching my video, it's the first video now, I'm looking at 236 level. You guys know the importance of 236 Fibonacci level. I'm looking for a breakout above 236. If Vechain can break out above 236 zone and get a couple of hourly closes, I'll look to buy some. But if Vechain doesn't, this is what I want to see, trend change. If Vechain just does this spike and break below, I would exit. If Vechain does this and stays back above, stays above the hourly, 4 hourly moving averages, I will look to hold Vechain, and that will be a really big move. I think it will be going into the 150 Satoshi levels. So that's the Vechain BTC trade I'm looking at. I'll be sharing with you the Vechain USD as well, which is even better. So I've got an alert set on Vechain BTC, so I'll post in the group if it does break out again, and I'll look to get in on Vechain. Vechain USD is looking even better. There's a good question on why I trade against BTC. The reason why I trade against altcoin against BTC is if the altcoin BTC pair is going down. So if Vechain BTC pair is going down, I'll make more money just holding BTC. So I want Vechain USD and Vechain BTC both to go up for me to get into Vechain. So Vechain USD is looking great. You can see the nice trend up. This was the bull bear line I shared. Where's the bull bear line? Don't know where the bull bear line's gone. But you guys know that I shared a bull bear line. I believe it was around about 1.03 cent. I can't remember. It was probably 1.3 cent. I was looking for Vechain to break out. Is broken out above it, and it's looking really bullish. So look for an hourly pullback, 4 hourly pullback, whether you use my strategy or any other strategy. Look to go long, target around the 2 cent. What's the importance of 2 cent? 2 cent is a potential massive inverse cup and handle pattern. If Vechain breaks cleanly above 2 cent, like Bitcoin broke out above 10.5 cent, I don't want to see spikes like this. I want to see a clean breakout. If it does this, guys, I think Vechain will be in a massive bull run. It can pull a crazy crazy move up, so I'll be looking for that to happen. So 2 cent is a very key level for Vechain. We can start talking about, you know, the 5 cent, 10 cent level if Vechain can break out above that. So that is the next trade I'll be looking for. So Vechain BTC and Vechain USD is the next trade I'll be looking for. Look to, if you've already long Vechain from my previous video, give yourself a pat yourself on the back. Well done for taking that trade. Look to take some profit around the 2 cent level, and if it breaks out above the 2 cent level, then we can talk about the crazy targets. I'll make another video if it does break out above the 2 cent, but there's so many coins breaking out, it's difficult for me to update on YouTube, but I'll try to keep you guys up to date. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. I will have a quick look at the news on Vechain, but there's not too much to update. There's obviously new about the partnership against with the Chinese government, and the influencers will be designs on Vechain backed collection streetwear. But I think when the market is like this, it's not even about news. Everything is going up. So coins that are good setups, look to get in. And I talked about Zilliqa. There's a couple of other coins that I just posted that we're looking to trade. Markets like this don't happen. We've waited 3 years of a bear market, so make sure you take advantage of it. Educate yourself. And if Bitcoin does break out above 20k this year or next year, and altcoin season, we get the proper altcoin season, not the mini altcoin season, it will be an opportunity of a lifetime. So make sure you take advantage of it. Educate yourself, whether you want to use our tools or whether you read books or take other courses. Make sure you educate yourself and take advantage of it. Don't be like most people that don't know where to enter, when to take a trade, when to take profit. There's loads of people that rode Bitcoin to 20k and rode it back to 4k. Don't be that person. So I'll end the video on that note. So thank you very much for watching this video. Comment below your price predictions for Vechain. Do you think Vechain is going to carry on going up or down? Comment below your price prediction and let's have a discussion. So smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.